My dear brothers and sisters, in the first reading of today, we have heard a consoling, encouraging, loving, merciful words. The Lord tells that He will never forget us. And this we have seen in the Old Testament, whenever the people turn away from Him to different places where they had to suffer a lot, Yahweh did not forget them. But He had compassion on them and brought them back to His own fold. Jesus also told us a parable about the Good Samaritan, about the lost son. The father did not forget the son who had gone away, but rather waited every day for him to come back. And when he came back, He embraced him and restored back, so-called, his sonship. And the gospel passage today has also baffled many people. In fact, those Jews authorities. The reason being, you heard in the gospel passage time and again the word Father and Son, the Father, and in a way, Jesus told us what is His relationship with the Father. When the Jewish authorities heard it, they were shocked. Shocked because Jesus had made Himself equal to the Father. That is what shocked them. When John tells us, or when we hear these words, we can come to know how deep, so-called, this relationship was of Jesus with the Father. John also tells us that Jesus, the Son, the Father, were the whole beginning. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. And Jesus told us time and again, be like my Father. Be kind, be merciful, be forgiving, be just, and so on. And this is what baffled the Jewish authorities. Maybe we could reflect on ourselves on 4 points today. The first point we heard in the first reading, are we like the Father who is always merciful, always kind, always forgiving? Second point to reflect upon this, how deep is our relationship with God and how do we maintain that?